Welcome to my class student. It's class 8 English Honeydew. We are doing chapter 2 the tsunami, and this is session 5. We are going to do question and answer. In this chapter you have come to know about the tsunami, the earth's vibration, earthquake, and what is the nature of the sea when there is a tsunami, and what happens when earthquake happens, how people save their life. All the instructions are given in this chapter, and you have come to know about all these things. Now there is a question answer of this chapter. Let's start. This is comprehension, page number 27. Say whether the following are true or false. Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Yeah, it's true. Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. So false, because he wanted to save wife of John and he couldn't save his life and her life also. Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. This is also false, because helicopters couldn't, the pilots couldn't see her, and she was saved. She was thrown back to the beach by a strong wave only, right? So this is also false. Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. True, because he observed the nature of the sea, that it was receding back, and then he thought when the waves are, when water is receding back, it will come again with more force, with much force. So this is again true. Her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. True, it was a coconut tree, remember? Now, page number 28 and 9. Answer the following in a phrase or sentence. Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. This is true, this is the story, this is the answer. Here it is did, so here it is came. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Tilly's mother saw that the water was swelling and the beach was getting smaller and smaller. And Tilly saw that the sea was slowly rising, bubbling and forming a whirlpool. All this thing happened. Remember the story? So you need to write the way it is written here. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Tilly's mother could not understand what was happening and only realized that it was serious when Tilly got frightened and mentioned what a tsunami was. How Tilly knew about tsunami? Because she had a lesson, that video class in her school, and she has seen everything in that video. She could understand after seeing the nature of the sea. Yes, tsunami is about to hit the land. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Tilly has seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion in a video of tsunami, which was shown in her class by her geography teacher. So sometimes when you have this facility, the digital facility, you have internet. So whatever you go through in the history book, in geography book, in science, all the experiment you can see through videos. Videos are available nowadays. Please have a full knowledge of everything that you read. That visual medium is more powerful than the audio and the reading medium. If you can see the things, if you can visualize the thing, then it will always remember, it will always remain in your mind forever. It will leave a lasting impression. So whenever you study, go through the images, find the incidents in videos and learn it. Where did the Smith family and the others on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? The Smith family and the others on the beach took refuge on the 3rd floor of a hotel. Why the hotel? The hotel had that safety measures because the hotel was survived in 3 tsunamis attack. So the hotel was always very renowned hotel, and so when they went to the 3rd floor of a hotel, they saved their life. How do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? Her geography teacher felt very happy because her student and geography lesson saved many people from tsunami wave. I shall be also very happy if you narrate the incidents to others also, so that others can understand how to behave, what to do when these things will happen, and many of people can save their lives. Now, page number 30. Answer using a phrase or sentence. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Although no data is given in the story, but it says the number of dead animals was far less compared to human casualties, because the animals had the power to hear or feel earthquakes much before than the human beings. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? 60 visitors and only 2 water buffaloes died at the Yala National Park. Elephants had gone to the higher place, they left that park, and water buffaloes, they died. What do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? The people at the Yala National Park had seen 3 elephants running away from the Patangala beach about an hour before the tsunami hit. They saved their life in this way. See, the people at the Yala National Park had seen 3 elephants. They should understand that time only why elephants are running, why elephants are leaving the beach, and they should also leave the place. But as you know, we human don't believe in all these things. So what we do, until and unless we experience the thing, we see and we hear, then we don't believe. So the thing is that if they could observe the elephant's behavior and could understand, so many of the people could save their life. So casualties would be much less than the 60 people. So they couldn't understand, and so many of them died. What did the dogs in Gale do? The dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach. They said they would not go. In this way, they saved their life and the life of that master also. So, what have we learnt in this? We have learned the nature of tsunami, the behavior of the sea, how animals reacted when they sensed earthquake. And the question answer is over here. Go through the question answer, learn this and write it so that you can be perfect in writing during exam. We will meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice revision of the question answers. Thank you.